Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase a USB flash drive. Protecting your private information is crucial, and a proper erase ensures your data truly disappears, not just hidden. Whether you are reusing an old drive or sharing one, a clean slate prevents accidental recovery of sensitive files. We will cover the steps to completely wipe your USB drive, making it ready for any new purpose with peace of mind. Understanding the difference between quick and full formatting is key to secure data removal. A quick format simply clears the table of contents, allowing data recovery tools to potentially retrieve your information. However, a full format meticulously writes zeros across the entire drive, making data recovery extremely difficult, if not impossible. For maximum security, always opt for the full format, especially when discarding or selling a drive. The simplest way to erase your USB drive is through Windows Explorer. Just open this PC, find your drive, and right-click on it. Select Format, and a small window will appear with several options. Here, you can choose the file system, perhaps NTFS for larger files, and give your drive a new name. Remember to uncheck Quick Format if you need a thorough wipe, then click Start to begin the process. For a more robust erasure, especially if your drive is corrupted or stubborn, the disk part utility is invaluable. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, then type disk part to access this tool. Carefully use list disk to pinpoint your USB drive by its size, for instance, a 32 GB drive. Then, select disk with its number and type clean to completely wipe its partition table, making it unallocated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.